So number 1. Born 9 June 1963, age 59 years old. Number 2. Born 14 February 1992, age 30 years old. Number 3. Born 26 May 1966, age 56 years old. Number 4. Born 7 June 1993, age 29 years old. Number 5. Born 8 December 1993, age 29 years old. Number 6. Born 17 March 1993, age 29 years old. Number 7. Born February 1993, age 29 years old. Number 8. Born 1st December 1957, age 65 years old. Number 9. Born 27th May 1922, dead 7 June 2015. Number 10. Born 16 November 1972, age 50 years old. Number 11. Born 11 June 1929, dead 12 February 2012. Number 12. Born 22 July 1964, age 58 years old. Number 13. On 4 September 1969, age 53 years old. Number 14. Born 19 May 1939, age 83 years old. Number 15. Born 1st August 1930, dead 5 October 2014. Number 16. Born 18 July 1954, age 68 years old. Number 17. Born 13 March 1957, age 65 years old. Number 18. Born 8 October 1922, dead 15 February 2015.